3 simple tricks with effervescent tablets that you will love to use for cleaning. For the first tip, I will start by using 1 liter of hot water. I will pour it into a basin. Next, I'm going to position some dirty socks or another piece of clothing that you want to clean or remove some stains. The second ingredient I'm going to use is vinegar. I'm going to use a marker cup, and in it I'm going to add 200 milliliters of vinegar. Then I will pour it into the bowl. The third ingredient is soap powder, which together with vinegar is ideal for removing dirt, grease, and also disinfecting clothes. I will add 3 tablespoons of soap powder. Finally, I will use effervescent tablets. I'm going to add 2 tablets and let them dilute completely. Once this is done, I will scrub the socks very well. This mixture is perfectly suited for removing stains from clothes. And look how white the sock pieces have become. I thought I would have no way to clean the socks anymore due to the impregnated dirt. For the second tip, I will start by using vinegar that I will add in a bowl in the measure of 3 tablespoons. The next ingredient is the detergent, which I will also use in a measure of 3 tablespoons. Finally, I will use an effervescent tablet. I will take it out of the package and add it along with the other ingredients. I will mix it very well while the tablet dissolves completely. Once that's done, let's show its efficiency. I will use a pan that I have already tried to remove the greasier parts, but I didn't succeed. But with this trick my pans are clean. Come with me. I am going to get the bowl with our mixture. I'm going to use a sponge that is proper for this type of cleaning. I will dip the sponge in our mixture and start scrubbing. Meanwhile, tell me which city you are watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Benedict Alvin from the Philippines. I am glad you are enjoying our tips. Finally, rinse very well. You will already notice how clean it was. All the greasy parts came out easily. Now for the third tip. The first ingredient is vinegar, which I will apply by pouring it down the sides of our toilet bowl. Next I will use an effervescent tablet, which I will pour into the toilet, and wait a few minutes for it to dissolve completely. After that, I will use a brush, and scrub it very well. The vinegar together with the effervescent tablet are responsible for removing stains, disinfecting, and eliminating odors. I hope this tip is useful for use in your home. I appreciate you following us this far. See you in the next video. Bye.